Hello everyone and welcome in Learn Literature. In this video we will learn about sonnet. What is sonnet? And all about the sonnet. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So what is sonnet? Here is a question. As you can see. So sonnet is simply a kind of lyric poem. Okay, lyric poem means that you can sing, and it is a short poem of 14 line, means beyond of 14 line. If the any poem that is beyond of the 14 line, so we cannot say that it is a sonnet. Okay. And it's also express single thought, means here is a single thought. I can say like love, beauty, this type of thoughts, and its charms and emotion reveal charms and personality of the poet, as you can see. And it is believed that sonnet was originated in Italy during 13th century, means before the 13th century there is no any type of a sonnet. Okay, and Dante is known as the father of sonnet. Okay, and later on it was adopted and perfected by Petrarch, means firstly Dante, then it was adopted by the Petrarch, and Petrarch perfected it. Okay, and Petrarch sonnet generally addressed to his beloved, that is Lady Laura, and Dante addresses his sonnet to Beatrice. Okay. Now, so sonnet become popular in Italy during 15th century. As I told you that it was introduced at the time of 13th century, but it become popular in Italy during 15th century. Remember one thing, that it become popular in Italy, not England. Okay, in this time it was not introduced in England. Okay, and after that it spreads all over Spain, England, and late 16th century it reached England. Okay, and here's some name that is very important, that how it become popular in England. Like you can see first name is Surrey and White. So Surrey and White was carried to sonnet to England by England. Okay, and White adopted patriarchal sonnet. Patriarchal sonnet, that earlier it was. Okay, so and his sonnet, patriarchal sonnet, uh, he wrote some sonnet, but that was not so much interesting. But yes, we can say we, because he introduced sonnet in England. And when we talk about the Surrey, so Surrey didn't adopted the sonnet of patriarchan. Okay, form of the patriarchan, how they wrote. So Surrey adopted different one. He wrote in different style, and later on that style adopted by the Shakespeare. Okay, so, and second one is Sir Philip Sidney. After that, Walt and Surrey, uh, Sydney Sydney came, and when Sydney came, that time we can say sonnet was almost at the verge of death, and Sydney adopted it and put new life in them. Okay, and the collection of a Sydney sonnet is called to Astrophel and Stella. Okay, So it was a history of Sir Philip Sidney regarding to sonnet. And after that, when Sidney introduced his collection Estropella and Stella, that time many contemporary poets of Sydney had become extremely inspired by sonnet. And it was that time when England was a rich harvest, we can say, of sonnet. And that time sonneteers of the period of that period were very large, but only Spenser and Shakespeare is we can say are of worth consideration. Okay. And after that, Spencer and Daniel. So Daniel was also one of the famous sonneteer. Sorry, Spencer was there. So Spencer wrote 88 love sonnet, and all his sonnet has been addressed to Elizabethan Boyle. Okay, and he called them amority. And the feeling expressed by Spencer in his sonnets are very true, and we can say simple. Okay. And then came Daniel. So Daniel Daniel was also one of the famous sonneteer of Elizabethan age. And also we can say like his collection of a sonnet is known as Datia. Okay. And he primarily his sonnet primarily love sonnets. Okay. And have been addressed to imaginary lady. That's why his sonnet is something like not pure, and we can say the not realistic. Okay. And after that comes Shakespeare, and we all know that like Shakespeare is the most famous, we can say, popular sonneteer of Elizabethan age. And he has composed 154 sonnets. Okay. And which were published by Thomas Thorpe in 1609. Okay. At that time, his 126 sonnets addressed to young youth of great beauty, and rest of the sonnets addressed to dark lady. Okay. And after that, Shakespeare, his name Milton. So Milton, at that time when Shakespeare wrote sonnets, so sonnet was so popular in England. And Milton, after departure of Shakespeare, Milton came. So Milton wrote number of sonnets that was unique in the sense the pattern is very unique, like he wrote in we can say three stanza of four line, and ended with a couplet. Okay. So this was a form of sonnet of Milton. Okay. And on his blindness is his sonnet that is very famous. So it's all about the sonnet and how sonnet become popular. Hmm? So after that we will discuss type of sonnets. So type of sonnet, first you can see like Petrarchan sonnet, Italian sonnet, and second one is Shakespearean and English sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet and Italian sonnet is this kind of a sonnet is said to have originated in Italy, that I told you earlier. And in this they have a, we can say, like octave. The sonnet is divided in two part, octave and set. In octave there have 8 line, and in set Set has 6 line. Okay, and rhyme scheme of ABBA of octave, and set is CDE. Okay, and here is some famous, we can say, this this form of sonnets example, like Milton's on his blindness, Keats on her on first looking into Chapman Homer, Wordsworth's to liberty. And after the Milton, uh, it was adopted by Wordsworth and Keats, okay, in the history of his sonnet. And here is the Shakespearean sonnet. So Shakespearean sonnet is also a poem of 14 line. Okay, and it divided into three quatrain, like three stanza, we can say. So three stanza, and of 4 line, and one concluding couplet. A rhyme scheme is AB, CD, EF, and GG. So this is a Shakespearean sonnet, and this was Patriarchal sonnet, an Italian sonnet. So it's all about the video. Okay, as I discussed, firstly sonnet, and then history of sonnet, and this is a type of sonnet. So thank you everyone for watching to my video. Thank you.